Sanibona. Ngiyaphila.
So on then.
Sofisa yini? Sofisa lani? Njengoba sengibeke lezi. Njengoba sengibeke lezi. It's fine. Uzohlala kwena. So ekamereni yini vele? So today I'm here to tell you about 3 products I have for you. Well, ngiyawazi, but I've never interacted. So namhlanje we're gonna speak about it. Hi. Sanibona guys, sanibona bengibingelelile babafikayo manje. Ngiyabingelela nawe. Ke ngikwazi ukulala guys, and I think ngizolala ngazo le inwele. Ngikhumuli. Oh, usho lesi. Okay, bye. Yeah. Ungabasa yini? No. Abalumi. So take care of that. Ngengilale guys namhlanje. Ngizolala ngazo. Ngoba manje ngikhumula ngase kuzoba nesigebengu sizoyintshontsho. But anyway, how you abantu abangaka? Ngisebenza. Ngokangeza. Sorry, peso. Yeah, ngipostile lapha kwi-story sami yazi. Ukhona la just watch my TikTok story. Hey guys, bengifuna abantu umgatekeeper lo muntu awubuqama ngiqhaye ngoba ngiyamthanda. I posted on my story. Don't you know that? Okay, sure. So I have close serum. It says yabo amabhodlela lawo awe ongqoshela nabona. With mama, I think these are funny. So yeah, I have glow serum. Reload. Kuna dealing for the oil. Oh, there it is. Okay, sure. Okay, yeah. Sorry, guys. I'm very clumsy. I have a glow serum. I don't know. Yeah, nazo. I have a glow serum. There we go. Ivy Glow Serum. Yeah. Hey, my love, you look stunning. Thank you. Night Glow Serum. So, this Glow Serum, it's not specifically for like, ebusuku or, I mean, anytime you can apply it. And then, no, actually, the charcoal scrub. Yeah, this is the star of the show. Star of the show feels very, very, very how can I describe your skin after applying this? Soft. Nje, now it glow harmony charcoal scrub, so you definitely glow after using it. Just apply it on your face. And I think you know that most people abenza wrong with the glow serum is well, not the glow serum, the charcoal scrub is that mase apply phela guys, you don't just apply it. You actually have to like scrub your face, but not too harsh because you're gonna hurt your skin because it is a scrub. Can't go in too harsh onto your skin, it's gonna irritate it. Something cause some scarring, you know. How's your man? It's not about a man, it's about izinto zami zokugcoba. Ngicela ngithenge izinto zokugcoba. Ukuze ukhuluma izinto ey'ngakhi, asikhuluma izinto ezakhayo. Yes, that's the start of the show. You can like scrub nani for like what, 5 minutes? For like 5 minutes. So when I wish I had but I don't think I wouldn't recommend you for more than 10 minutes. Example, okay, you scrub it 5 minutes, must you share for another 5 minutes and then you rinse it off. You know. Will I drop more products for your skin? Yes, I will. No, for your face, I will. But I won't now. Sisaqala. So njengoba siqala ibhizinisi kancane kancane. So lokho esicothoza nje so sifike la sifuna ukuya khona. So yes. Mase uqedile ukugeza, this is what you're gonna put. These are my services. So when I am looking at the one in day 7, mina nakho nginawo glow serum. That combo for me works magic. And then this is my what's this? Yes, so then this is the body cream. So it's the Glow Harmony Glow body cream. This makes your body glow like crazy. And Kona carrot oil, right? Our Glow Harmony carrot oil. Ihamba nayo day one day. But ngiyancisha funa ngiqale ngithenge la, and then I'm gonna introduce it along the way. I even have the packaging, everything ikhona. Yonke into ikhona, sengishoda ngani ukuthi nenze into right, and then as nenze into right, I keep dropping products, you know, because I won't drop all products, guys. Come on, yadula. Yabona i-packaging khona. Hi, friend. Yeah. Everything ikhona ilinde nini ukuthi ngithenge. And then obviously I will be doing giveaways. But giveaway I mean ngifakele kwinto enkulu, because a point of a giveaway is like, well, ngeke giveaway ngizothi ama-samples. Yes, a point of a sample is for it ukuthi uyisebenzise. And then once you've used it, if you liked it and something you saw a difference, you can come back and buy. So I'm not about to give you a sample enkulu into that's gonna last you a whole month. I won't do that. It must last you at least 2 weeks, especially charcoal scrub, because the charcoal scrub uyigcoba njalo. Charcoal scrub mhlawumbe uyigcoba futhi ngasihlanu 2 to 3 times a week. Nakhona futhi kuwena ukuthi ugcoba kawodwa or kawu-2. osukwini, but it's 2 to 3 times a week and 1 to 2 times a day. Finish. So nayi container yelo. Nayi container ye sample. Yeah, this is the container for the sample. I'll definitely be putting in the samples in here, and I have a lot of those. So I don't know who's gonna be the lucky winner, but whoever the lucky, okay, not lucky winner, winners, and I still don't know how I'll choose them. I don't know. Mhlawumbe advise ukuthi ngichoose kanjani abantu engizobanika ama-samples. It can be like maybe 5 people from here, like any social media platform here or Instagram, and then other 5 choose them, of course. Yeah. Oh, my daughter. Who's this? Thank you, Gabon. I'm bored now. Proud of you, my love. Thank you, business in the house. I know this. And I was actually thinking about doing something so nice for you guys, which is if you buy this face combo, which is the charcoal scrub and glow serum, you can get 50% off the body cream. In the meantime, we'll do that. And then once we have, don't laugh at them, please. And then once we have dropped the oils, like the carrot oil, stretch marks oil, we can include the stretch marks oil and stuff in the combo. And let me tell you how the combo is gonna look like. So the combo is gonna look like this. I'm gonna have, that's a little bit about let's help with dark spots. Yes, they really fight black spots. And I recently had a pimple maybe I popped it and the corny spots and I'll be applying this, guys. What was I saying? Yeah, so the combos now, they're gonna look like those. So it's for like your face, right? So obviously you're gonna get a scrub for your face. You get indoor cover for your face. In the photo, you get a glow serum. You know, it's been my grand. Yes, and also like your skin types are different, guys. Some people maybe sebenzisa charcoal scrub ibaphatha kahle ebusweni. Abanye charcoal scrub, they use it for like, you know, like your dark underarms nani ibaphathe kahle. Mase kube i-turmeric scrub mhlambe ezomphatha kahle omunye ebusweni, omunye i-turmeric scrub emphatha kahle emzimbeni. Yabo, ama-body types awafani nani, but they definitely do help. What can I use for you? It's okay, it's what I'm gonna drop soon, which is the carrot oil, and either this charcoal scrub or the turmeric scrub. It's really up to you. But mina engiphatha kahle ebusweni is the charcoal scrub. Ubhuti wami, we tried, and eyamiphatha kahle kakhulu was the turmeric scrub. Yeah, I told her what she can use for kiwi. Uyayifaka guys in the scrub with kiwi, like it's not a train smash. Uyayifaka nje nayo. Ngiyanibona lapho ladies. Guys, please order. And yeah, and let's talk about how we are gonna do this whole samples thing. Ukuthi ngizokhetha kanjani abantu abawu-5 from here social media, and the other 5 I'm just gonna choose them myself. Futhi angazi ukuthi ngizobanika ini. I'm thinking about giving them the charcoal scrub. Just the charcoal scrub. I don't we're still gonna talk about it. In manje. That's yes. Where's the laptop? Come on, the laptop lap. Cool. Guys, I was wondering, should I move this live to Instagram as well? Yeah, because I do have people that aren't that active here in Brazil, but they are very active on Instagram, and I think it's just fair which when you're advertising and all of that. Oh, look, so everyone knows what's going on. Because I've been really quiet, and I apologize for that. I've just been busy. But we rock. Yeah. Ubalo. I'm looking for. Okay. But ikhombo nje siyayenza ayixoxisi no ayixoxisi and i-charcoal scrub kahle mehamba yodwa guys, it's 250 mehamba yodwa, it's 250, which is 250 iyasebenza blind 250 lona 270 lo yayizwa leyo nto mina ngithi kumnaki. Okay, lona mase eba u-200, right? Mase ngithi mina kumnaki ngizolidayisela lo ezikhombo, right? Mase ngidayiselile lo ezikhombo mawusola 50% off the body cream, so that way you have things for your face and for your body. Simple. And then along the way we're gonna introduce our. I'm very skeptical about introducing a soap, because you guys, okay, abantu bami really enjoyed the turmeric scrub instead of the soap, you know, and ngiyabezwa ngikuqina ngiyabezwa. So ilokhu njani i-turmeric soap or scrub mase ngi-introducer is gonna be 180, and carrot oil is gonna be 80 rand, and then the stretch marks oil is gonna be 140 rand, right? And then this is the combo we're gonna do for it. So we're gonna take your charcoal scrub, your glow serum. What else can we put there? What can we put there? I don't know, but we need something as tight. Let's say carrot oil, because you can also use the carrot oil for your face, so and your body. So let's say carrot oil as well. Okay, that's the first combo. And the second one is gonna be your either turmeric soap or turmeric scrub with your stretch marks oil and your body cream. And mase ngenza leyo combo ngihlukanise into two. If you buy both of the combos, you have all products for your face and for your body at such a reasonable price. It will be a reasonable price. Sengiyahamba lana ngiyokhuluma lapha ku-Instagram, ngiyashisela bafethu ufana amashisa ngipijama zishisele yonke, kodwa ngiyikhululele la ngizolala ngazo. Please DM me if you want to order. You don't just DM me on Instagram, because khona abanye abantu abanganawo. So if ungibonele la ku-TikTok and you want to place an order, you can DM me. Just uhlale stress odabeni ukuthi hey ufuna ukuthi nokuthi, don't say hey njani, uhlale odabeni and I'll assist you further. What else? Yeah, I'm on Instagram. It's easier because there's a price list and everything. Send me a message there, and I just think it would be wise for you guys to follow my business page on Instagram because that's where I'll be posting masengenza giveaway number combo. So like it's easier. You're gonna see, you're gonna interact with me. See, right? Okay, kufanele ngishonele ngizala mase kunina nithani bengazi mhlawumbe nalapha bathi bengazi khona kanjani. I just think it's easier like that. And then yeah, munganawo Instagram sizongifollowisha la uzobona la. So yeah, papa yini mhlawumbe ngibuya sizoyikhulumela nje yabo later, but I'm still working on packing orders right now, and yeah.